Hello, Year 1. Welcome to Tuesday's maths lesson. For today's starter, we are going to practice our counting that we did yesterday. So we're going to start on 44 and count up to 50. So let's do it together. 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay, now we're going to go backwards from 17. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. And then we're going to go forward from 37, 37, 38, 39, 40. Fantastic. Hopefully our brains are nice and warm. So we're going to be doing similar things to yesterday. We're going to practice counting forwards and backwards within 50. So you might need some resources ready for some of the questions. You might not need them, so let's wait and see. But definitely the number square is a definite you'll need. So go back to yesterday's and have that paused on that part of the video. Okay, so we're going to practice counting in our tens, and then we're going to discuss a bit more. So we've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, now we're going to go backwards, so down. So 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, and 0, excuse me, and 0. Okay, so just quickly, what does this represent here? Okay, yep, that's right, it represents 10. So we can double check by going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, throughout the slides, you might see other ways to represent 10, and that's okay. And especially tomorrow, you'll also see some new ways. Okay, so firstly, how many groups of 10? Okay, so we know that one of these is 10. So how many groups of 10 are there? Should we count together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 groups of 10, which means it would be 100. Okay, so there's 10 groups of 10, 10 lots of 10. Okay, so what I want you to do today, bit of a practical element, is go and find some socks, some shoes. You can line them up in your house, and I want you to just practice counting in tens. So actually I've got 10, 20, 30, 40, and if I was lining my socks up, it would be like that. The reason I've used socks or shoes is because how many toes go into our shoe? Our sock would be 5, and then the other 5, that would make 10. Okay, so there's 10 toes, 10, 20, 30, 40. So that's just a little practical task that you can do. I don't need to see any pictures. I just thought it might be a fun activity to keep you moving and active. So you press pause and have a go. Okay, fantastic. Now I've got 6 questions coming up, and these are the things that you can send in to the email. So it says, Boris has 10 cards in each set. So a set is here. How many cards does he have altogether? So you would go 10. Okay, question 2. Belinda sorts her cards into boxes. Each box has 10 cards. How many cards does she have? So again, you're going to count them. 10. Okay. So press pause and have a go at those questions. Question 3. Each pack has 10 cards. I need 70 cards. Do I have the right number? So you need to count each one of these is 10, 20, and so on. Does he have enough for 70 cards? Does he have too many, too few? Okay. Then you are going to count in your tens, like we've been doing all of today, and you're going to start on 0 and count to 50, will you say the number 32? And how do you know? And question 5, I just need you to fill in the missing numbers, so the gaps of 10, 20, 30. You can draw this one as a number line. Then again here, same, but you are going backwards. So you're starting at 100, 100, 90, 80, 60, 50. And then your final question is, I need you to find the numbers that are hidden on your number square, okay? And then just write them next to the number 6 when you're submitting your work into the email. So I just need 6 questions sent in to me. You can lay them out how you would like to. It's a bit different today because I've gone through 6 questions and just, so for example, for this one, you could just write the number that would be here. You don't have to draw the whole thing out, but it could be good practice for you. Likewise with this, I definitely don't want you to draw the whole number square, but you could just write the 3 numbers. Okay, so put 6 and then the 3 numbers. Okay, finally, your challenge X. So we're going to be counting tens a lot this week. Okay, and we will get to a point where we need to write the numbers in words. So I thought your challenge X could be to create some posters or post-it notes, however big you want to make them, for your home learning area where you do all your work. Okay, so you can refer to them, because we know how to write 1 to 10 with words, but sometimes we're not too sure on our tens. So if we had the number 22, we would just write 20 and then 2 TWO, okay? Or so that could make it a bit easier for you. So this will help you in the long run. So if you create posters for each one, like I've done here, and that will be very useful, okay? I know it's been a quick maths lesson, but don't forget to press pause on your questions and spend a bit of time sorting your shoes and your socks out. It might be a good help for your family. Okay, so make your posters and have a fantastic day.